Hello Windows Universe! Michael here with the Windows Club, bringing you another video that is sure to make your digital life just a little bit better. Now, there may come a time that you notice that your Windows 10 is stuck in an endless update status. You'll see terms like pending install, pending download, initializing, downloading, installing, or waiting to install. Now, in this video, we will talk about what each term means and go over possible solutions. And, as usual, we will link an article in the description below that will go much more into depth. Now, suppose that you go into Windows Update and you see pending downloads. It's telling you that there are an update available for your computer, and unless it's a critical update, it will not download the update until you tell it to. Easy fix there. Simply click on the download to start downloading the updates. Then, you might see Windows Update status as downloading. This means exactly what you expect. It means that an update is in the process of downloading. Now, updates usually download pretty quickly, so if you see one that is stuck, there's an issue with the software, update folder, or your Windows Update service. And we have an excellent article linked in this article we have in the description that will show you how to fix this problem step by step. Now, you might see something that says Windows Update status pending install. It just means that Windows has finished downloading and is now waiting to install. It's probably pending a manual restart. It might be during active hours, and it possibly has something to do with group policy settings. If it's the first one, just restart the computer. If it's the second one, let's change the active hours or just install it manually. Now, to change your active hours, as you see as the Windows Update window, I have change active hours. I currently have mine set as 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in my time zone. Now you just make the changes and you click back and you're done. Now you can also set your active hours if you're someone like me that may not necessarily have the same hours all the time, is you can set it to automatically adjust active hours for this device based on activity. Go back, and the computer will take care of the rest. Now, if you see an update status of awaiting install, then Windows is waiting for a specific condition to fulfill before it can install. Check and see if there's maybe another update pending. If so, install that one. If that's not the case, then disable active hours and see if that works. And, of course, there is always my old trusty friend, Windows Troubleshooter. As I said, if there is a problem with Windows that Windows can fix, Troubleshooter is your best option. You can go to Windows Update and ask it to run the Troubleshooter. Now, then there is Initializing Status. What does that mean? Well, basically it means that the Windows Update process is getting ready to install the update and is preparing the prerequisites. It's like checking the storage space, the files, and such. If it seems to take a couple days, restart Windows, run the Troubleshooter for Windows Update, run a DISM command to fix any corruption. Then we have installing settings. Once again, as the name suggests, the updates are downloading, all the conditions have been met, and now they're being installed. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom. And if you have any problems, try restarting the system and see if it reloads and starts over. Now, have you had problems with running Windows updates? How did you go about fixing these problems? Let us know in the comments below. For this and for thousands of other articles talking about fixes, tips, tricks, hacks, and the latest Windows 10 news, visit our website at thewindowsclub.com. And hey, do not forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content to make your digital life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.